Alright guys, today we will be doing Last to Leave the Room Part 2 with not just Brandon, but Elon also. So we got Brandon.
And also this is my room.
So this is his room. So let's show our spaces of where we are going to be doing this.
So guys,
This is Will's space.
this is
right
my
over
space.
here. I got the big poof. This is Elon's space, the big bed. And this is Brandon. What the?
Sorry, I kind of gave him some
Okay,
stuff.
so we're gonna get 1 minute to grab anything in the house for this video that we want. Let me grab a timer.
Wait, we need. I guess we should need.
Oh shoot! 1 minute, Brandon. Don't leave the room.
I'm not. Look what I'm doing. Tell us when. Look what I'm doing.
All right.
Look what I'm doing.
3. Wait, we're gonna wait till the video hits 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro, I don't know how much more time we have. I got an iPad, some NERF guns so I can shoot the boys with, and I got a blanket.
Let's go.
Wait, no. Brandon, I think the timer's about to end. It just ended. It just ended. Guys, back. Come back.
Hold on, no grabbing stuff.
Come on.
Yon, you can't grab any more stuff at the timer end.
All right, right when we step foot.
Yeah?
I'm in.
Alright, bet.
Wait, what? I'm in. You're in. We're in. Guys, we are in. We're finally in. No stepping out. Let's see who takes the crown. So we're gonna wait like 20 minutes until I'm gonna vlog again. So
The challenge?
oh, it already has started.
What? No. Wait, so we have to wait in the room for about
Like 20-30 minutes.
and just entertain ourselves?
All right, see you guys. Okay, guys. So it's only been like 2 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys my watch of what time it is, and then I'm gonna come back of what time it is, so I can actually prove to you guys that I'm not doing this. Oh shoot, that was the timer. Don't mind that. 1:35. So we'll come back at 2.
Okay.
All right, guys. So
I'm not-
Elon.
I'm not getting out.
Elon says he's gonna go tell on me for literally no reason, just for taking his chips.
Bro,
Because I forced them up.
No. This is not the reason. He's literally gonna shoot me.
No, I'm
And I'm
not.
telling him no. I'm telling you no.
Yeah, I haven't done it
Listen.
yet. Yet. Yeah, me and Brandon have made an alliance.
This is not funny.
Dude, you have a good selection back here.
Huh? Yo, where did my gummies go?
I don't know. Sorry, yeah.
I found them. Wait, Alon.
There's his chip.
And Alon. Yeah, you want to tell on Will?
He could lose the challenge. He would have to
No,
walk
but
out
you
the
can
room.
call him that.
Wait, what? Oh.
But you can't call. But no calling.
No calling unless you're complete out.
Okay, fine. No calling unless it's an emergency.
Oh, my throat hurts. I'm gonna check out your selection. Gosh dang, brother.
Now, you said it. Give it.
Yeah, guys, it's 2 o'clock now. It's 2 o'clock now. We have survived 25 minutes. We're gonna keep going. Someone's gonna get out eventually.
I know, somebody's gonna get out eventually. Like,
Someone's gonna have to get out. Yep.
I'll let you have it.
Ew. Wait.
He actually ate it, chat. He actually ate it. They ate it.
Alright. See you guys.
Bro! Try is a word. Bro, look. Look what, okay, so.
See you guys at 2:15.
To go, yeah.
Elon has to leave because his mom called him home. Let's watch him step out. Goodbye. He stepped out.
No.
Goodbye, bro.
It's just us.
Goodbye. There we go. It's me and Brandon once more. All right, let's keep going. It's now 2:22.
Get out. Get out. Will, get out. Get out.
Bro, he has a
Get
gun.
out.
Look, he has.
Get out. I said get out or I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
Okay, fine. I'll get out.
Get out or I'm gonna shoot you in the head.
Wait, what?
Kids. Hey!
Elon, you can't. Elon.
Get out.
You can't do anything.
No.
Oh, stop. Elon. Get out now. Get out now.
I'm fine.
Get out.
No.
Get out.
Oh, no, I'll give you my drink.
No, get out now. Get out.
No. No, just shoot me in the back. Just shoot me
Get
in the
out. No. Get out now.
No.
Get out.
No.
Yes.
Will, are you gonna bring that stuff now?
Mom!
In the head. You're good.
Are you gonna bring that stuff down?
Yes. Stay away, Brandon.
Okay. I'm super sorry. Bye, guys.
Will, I'll let you shoot me in the head.
Give me your drink.
I still have a drink.
I'm not trying to shoot him in the head, Elon.
Wait, he just got out! You just got out!
No.
He just got out! Yes! He just got out! Whoa! Let's go! Bro! Yo! He just made a big mistake, buddy. Big mistake. Bro. That's just... Bro. How?
We lasted a whole hour in here, bro. That's crazy.
I know. That's just crazy.
Oh my gosh, bro. I'm so dumb.
Oh.
All right. See you guys.
I guess I win.
Brandon's winner.
I'm the crown. I have the crown. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.
You don't have to like, just subscribe.
Yeah.